Welcome to CryptoCast Daily, your fast track to today's biggest crypto stories. Like and subscribe to stay ahead in the market. Here are the top highlights shaping the crypto market today. Massachusetts State Attorney General alleges Kalshi violating sports gambling laws. Polymarket weighs $9 billion valuation amid user surge and CFTC approval. The information. Bitcoin, Ether catch Friday afternoon bids, rise to 3-week highs. Gemini stock jumps 45% in early trades after IPO. Sol rallies as Novogratz calls Solana, Tailor-Made, for financial markets. Analyst sees $1,314 target. Tether unveils USAT stablecoin for US market, names Hines to lead new division. Institutional bets drive HBAR higher amid ETF hopes. XLM holds ground amid market volatility as payment sector rivalry heats up. Polymarket connects to Chainlink to cut tampering risks in price bets. Father of crypto bills, French Hill, says market structure effort should tweak genius. Traders load up on 9-figure bullish Bitcoin bets, raising liquidation risks. Solana surges as Galaxy scoops up over $700 million tokens from exchanges. CoinDesk 20 performance update. Solana, Sol, jumps 5.5% as index moves higher. Clean Core Solutions Doge Holdings top 500M, shares rise 13%. In the AI economy, universal basic income can't wait. Crypto markets today. Bitcoin pulls back, Pengu open interest surges. Winklevoss-backed Gemini prices IPO at $28 per share, values crypto exchange at more than $3 billion. Bitcoin's historical September low may already be priced in. Get ready for alt season as traders eye Fed cuts. Crypto Daybook Americas. Bitcoin ETF's record fourth consecutive day of inflows, adding $550 million. Stay tuned as we break down the details behind these headlines.
Massachusetts Attorney General Andrea Joy Campbell alleges Kalshi is violating state gambling laws.
Kalshi introduced sports event contracts in January 2025.
These contracts violate state laws requiring operators to be licensed.
Campbell seeks to block Kalshi from offering sports prediction markets without a license.
Kalshi is a prediction market that has gained popularity in recent years.
The company allows users to bet on various events, including political outcomes.
However, the Massachusetts lawsuit focuses solely on Kalshi's sports-related bets.
The lawsuit compares Kalshi's binary options to products offered by licensed sports wagering operators like FanDuel. Polymarket, an online betting exchange, has considered a deal valuing the company at $9 billion.
This is a significant increase from its $1 billion valuation just 3 months ago.
The increase follows relaxed regulations from the Commodity Futures Trading Commission.
The commission previously barred Polymarket from offering prediction contracts in the United States.
Earlier this year, the agency allowed the platform to operate domestically.
Polymarket lets users bet on political elections, court rulings, and geopolitical events.
The site processed over $8 billion in wagers during the last United States election cycle.
This puts it ahead of sports betting giants like FanDuel, DraftKings, and Betfair in online traffic.
Altcoins like Solana and Dogecoin have seen significant gains recently, with Solana up 17% and Dogecoin up 25% over the past 7 days.
This surge is attributed to upcoming exchange-traded funds and new crypto treasury companies focused on these tokens.
Bitcoin and Ether, however, are now catching bids late in the United States trading day on Friday.
Bitcoin is up 2% to $116,600 in the past 2 hours.
Ether is up 5% to $4,650.
These are the highest prices since Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell's Jackson Hole speech in the third week of August.
Chairman Powell's unexpected shift from a hawkish to dovish stance on monetary policy triggered this price action.
He stated that the weakening labor market warranted more attention than the high inflation rate.
Gemini stock opened at $41 a share on Friday.
This is a 45% increase from its initial public offering price.
The cryptocurrency exchange is run by Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss.
It priced its initial public offering at $28 per share.
This values the company at around $3.3 billion.
Gemini posted a net loss of $283 million in the first half of the year.
Despite this loss, Gemini secured a $50 million strategic investment from Nasdaq.
This positions Gemini as a distribution partner for Nasdaq software.
Solana is rallying, surpassing $239.
Galaxy Digital Chief Executive Officer Mike Novogratz believes Solana is ideal for financial markets.
Analyst Ali Martinez projects a potential price target of $1,314.
Martinez identified a cup and handle pattern, signaling a potential long-term rally.
This pattern suggests a multi-year basing structure.
The 2022 and 2023 decline formed the cup.
2024 and early 2025 sideways movement formed the handle.
Breaking above $220 validates this structure.
Tether unveiled a United States regulated dollar-backed token called USAT.
Bo Hines will lead Tether's new United States division.
Anchorage Digital will issue the token, and Cantor Fitzgerald will manage reserves.
The token will debut later this year.
Hines previously advised President Donald Trump on cryptocurrency policies.
This is Tether's first United States regulated stablecoin.
It aims to compete with United States issuers like Circle, Paxos, and Ripple.
The USAT token is designed for United States businesses and institutions.
Hedera's native token HBAR saw gains from $0.237 to $0.245 before closing at $0.240 between September 11 and 12.
This reflects increased institutional participation tied to potential exchange-traded products.
Grayscale Investments revealed plans for a potential HBAR trust.
The Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation added a Canary HBAR exchange-traded fund filing to its regulatory database.
This listing under the proposed ticker HBR accompanied similar submissions for Solana and XRP.
This underscores growing Wall Street appetite for digital assets beyond Bitcoin.
Traders reacted to the news with technical resistance at $0.245 triggering profit-taking.
$0.240 emerged as a key institutional support level reinforced by late-session volume spikes topping 17 million tokens.
Polymarket will use Chainlink to resolve asset price bets.
This aims to reduce delays and manipulation risks.
The integration is live on Polygon and focuses on cryptocurrency asset prices.
Polymarket previously used UMA, which led to controversy over governance attacks.
Chainlink uses timestamped price feeds and automated tools.
This allows markets to settle immediately.
Polymarket plans to expand Chainlink use beyond asset prices.
However, subjective markets like those based on President Zelensky's clothing remain a challenge.
Representative French Hill agrees with Senator Cynthia Lummis that the Digital Asset Market Clarity Act should modify the Genius Act.
The Guiding and Establishing National Innovation for United States Stablecoins Act is a new law overseeing stablecoin issuers.
The House Clarity Act includes changes to Genius, such as holding executives legally liable for accurate financial data.
It also prohibits non-financial companies from engaging in the stablecoin business.
Senator Lummis anticipates the Senate version will also modify Genius, respecting the House amendments.
Representative Hill prefers the House version but acknowledges collaboration between the two houses.
The Senate aims to finalize their bill by the end of this month, potentially leading to a market structure law by the end of the year.
Senator John Kennedy has expressed reservations about the Senate version.
Traders are using leverage to push Bitcoin back to record highs. One trader attempted to open a 9-figure long position. Bears are also leveraging, with one trader facing a $7.5 million unrealized loss after shorting Bitcoin. The major liquidation risk is to the downside. This could trigger a liquidation cascade back to $110,000. Solana surged to its highest price since January, reaching nearly $240.
This represents a 5% rally over the past 24 hours and an 18% gain for the week.
This significantly outpaces Bitcoin and Ether, which saw gains of 4 to 5%.
Galaxy Digital withdrew approximately 3.1 million Solana tokens from exchanges, primarily Binance and Coinbase.
This withdrawal, worth $724 million, occurred over the last 2 days, according to Arkham Intelligence.
This may be related to Forward Industries, a digital asset strategy company with $1.65 billion to build a Solana treasury.
Galaxy was a lead investor in Forward Industries, and its asset management division will actively manage Forward Industries' war chest.
Bitwise Chief Investment Officer, Matt Hogan, predicts Solana's outperformance could continue due to demand from treasury companies and anticipated spot exchange-traded funds.
The CoinDesk 20 is currently trading at 4284.12.
It is up 1.6% since 4 post-Meridian Eastern Time on Thursday.
13 of the 20 assets in the index are trading higher.
Today's leaders are Solana, up 5.5%, and AAVE, up 2.4%.
The laggards include Avalanche, down 2.4%.
Internet Computer is also down, showing a 1.4% decrease.
The CoinDesk 20 is a broad-based index traded on multiple platforms.
It is available in several regions globally.
Artificial intelligence and robotics are changing the job market.
This is not a future problem, it is happening now.
With universal basic income, everyone receives a monthly payment from the government.
Other solutions include universal basic capital and universal basic ownership.
Universal basic income provides a safety net as artificial intelligence takes over jobs.
Universal basic capital offers income-producing assets.
Universal basic ownership gives everyone a stake in companies.
Universal extreme wealth imagines a future where everyone lives in abundance.
Bitcoin pulled back from highs above $116,000 to under $115,000.
Analysts remain optimistic about new lifetime highs in Bitcoin.
Focus has shifted to smaller tokens like MYX, Hash, Pengu, Pump, and MNT.
Weaker labor data preserves the easing narrative, which is a net positive for crypto in the near term.
Strengthening expectations of Federal Reserve rate cuts prompt traders to take more risk.
Positive funding rates indicate a bullish bias among traders.
Funding rates for Pengu are slightly elevated at around 15%. Gemini, backed by Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss, priced its initial public offering at $28 a share.
This values the company at around $3.3 billion.
The company sold 15.2 million shares, raising $425 million.
The initial public offering was 20 times oversubscribed, according to Reuters.
Shares will begin trading on the Nasdaq Global Select Market under the ticker symbol GEMI.
Gemini is the latest crypto-native firm to go public.
Nasdaq agreed to buy $50 million of Gemini Class A common stock.
Lead underwriters on the Gemini initial public offering were Goldman Sachs, Citigroup, Morgan Stanley, and Cantor.
Bitcoin may have already hit its September low around $107,000 on the first of the month.
Historically, Bitcoin tends to reach its monthly low within the first 10 days.
There have been exceptions like February, June, and August of 2025.
Even then, the market saw corrections within those first 10 days.
This pattern could be due to institutional portfolio adjustments or macroeconomic events.
Futures and options expirations at the end or beginning of the month also contribute to short-term volatility.
While past performance does not guarantee future results, the fourth quarter is historically Bitcoin's strongest.
October has been particularly good, with only 2 down months since 2013.
Spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds in the United States added $552.78 million on Thursday.
This is their fourth consecutive day of inflows.
That is the longest run since August 28.
It is also tied for the longest run since the 7 days that ended August 14.
Wednesday's $757.14 million net inflow was the largest for a single day since July 16.
Spot Ether exchange traded funds are also enjoying a run of inflows.
Thursday marked a third straight day of inflows for Ether.
This followed 6 consecutive days of outflows during which more than $1 billion was withdrawn.
That's a wrap on this episode of CryptoCast Daily. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time with more market updates, bold predictions, and fearless crypto insights.